Hey guys, and welcome back to another Rainbowplaymaker slime video. In today's video, I am doing a highly requested video. You guys don't even know how many requests I've gotten to test Squishybunnii's exposed thick slime, thicky slime, thick, 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 thick. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. He did a huge 3 or more gallon batch on his channel last week, and a lot of you wanted me to do a smaller version. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here today. So in his video, he used glue all, school glue, and clear glue. He said any brand really worked, but I just so happen to have Elmer's on hand, so that's what I'm going to do here. These bottles are about 5 ounces of glue. The glue all one looks a little bigger, but it wasn't filled up because I had used it in a previous video. So we're working with about 15 ounces of total glue here. Okay, so after he added all of his glue to his mixer, he started adding a bunch of lotion and baby oil. He said 3 to 4 pumps for a smaller amount of glue. I think you could easily go up to 10 pumps of lotion on this and squirt in that baby oil. I would say just give it a good squirt. You don't have to worry about adding too much. It shouldn't affect it that much. And then add food dye or the paint of your choice, and of course a scent. This is the Fruity Rings scent, and I think it's perfect for a thicky cereal milk slime. Once you have all your ingredients added, you are gonna want to mix it all up. So once it's all mixed up, you're gonna start adding your activator. So he didn't talk about activator, or at least I didn't notice that he talked about activator in his video. So I'm assuming that he's doing a borax activator. So I'm just gonna do 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. That's pretty basic for most thick slimes, and we will see how it turns out. Now in his video, he was doing such a big batch, he used his giant mixer. When you're mixing a glue-all based slime by hand, it can get stringy, it can get tough, but don't let that discourage you, you guys, because after a while, if you keep kneading, it will come together, it will soften up, it will become smooth like a typical slime. You may just want to let it sit if you don't want to deal with kneading it too much. That's always an option. That's kind of what I like to do after I'm done activating. I feel like it's fully activated. Like at this point, I might just let it sit on the counter for 10 to 20 minutes or in an airtight container. And then you see that it softens up just like this. Oh, she's so thick. So with a normal thick and glossy slime recipe, most slimers, slime shop owners, just slime people in general know that in order for it to gloss up fully, you need to let it sit for a couple days. And that's exactly what he recommended doing in his video. So I'm not doing that in this video, but what I will do for you guys, if you follow me on my Instagram account at Rainbowplaymaker, I will give you an update on this slime in a couple days, and we'll see how much it has glossed up from here. Now, if your slime looks like this and it's not as stretchy as you want it to be, you can add more baby oil or you can add more lotion. I don't recommend doing this until the next day at least, because I feel like all of the baby oil and the lotion, once it sits for a little while, it does soften the slime naturally. So definitely try to wait a day if you can. So I'm gonna store this in my new slime containers, Slime Jars by Parkway. I am in love with these containers. You guys, I don't even need to say anything about these containers. Just look at them. The clarity, they're durable. I'm gonna be taking these to all the slime conventions that I'm attending this summer and beyond, just because I've had so many issues with slime jars cracking in the past, taking them in my checked bags, and 30 or more are damaged. So I'm so excited that these are durable. They're beautiful containers, as you can see. I am loving the clear tops. It's probably one of my favorite parts. These are both 6-ounce containers. So you have your more traditional kind of 6-ounce container that I just showed you, and now this is more of their low profile 6-ounce container. So I use the low profile ones, I like the tall 6-ounce container ones, and I also like the low profile 8-ounce ones. But at this point, I'm looking at this extra slime and I'm wondering why I didn't order some 4-ounce jars to throw that in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my labels to finish it off. You can see the presentation looks super professional, and I'm just gonna throw some labels on the bottom and I'm ready for my next slime convention. Don't forget to follow me at Rainbowplaymaker on my Instagram account if you would like to see updates on how this slime glosses up. Thank you, Raul Squishybunnii, for providing an amazing recipe for me to try out today. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.